Water at the ready. PIXI water fountain has multiple drinking options to entice picky drinkers: calm flow, stream, with spout, and bubbling top. Drinking surface is wide and shallow, so it doesn't place any stress on your cat's sensitive whiskers. Coolest kitty on the block. Cat-like features add to the fountain's look and function. Cute ears prevent water splashes, 4 adorable paws make the fountain easy to pick up, and the little cat nose lights up and lets you know when it's time to refill. Cute indicator LED. PIXI's nose is a backlit water level window that flashes red when the level is too low, with the whiskers marking the reservoir's maximum capacity. PIXI's nose light also functions as a soft nightlight. Ergonomic Comfort. Add-on fountain spout provides an arching water stream so your cat can drink comfortably without being in an awkward pose. Pump runs smoothly and silently by being suspended in the water, unable to vibrate against the reservoir. Filtration technology. Triple action filter cleans your cat's drinking water in 3 ways. Cotton mesh filters out debris, active carbon removes odors and impurities, and ion exchange resin softens tap water. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Very easy to put together. Very little noise too. Kinda sounds like a fish tank when it's getting low. My cat loves to drink out of it and now I don't need to clean her bowl as often. The little face does blink when the water is low, which is really helpful.